Hey there, fellow parents. Today, we're going to talk about a feeling that's close to our hearts: the unwavering love of a mother for her child. Imagine this. A mama bear is going about her day when she hears her baby's voice that her little one has become separated from her. Without hesitation, she sets off on a mission to find her baby. As she runs through the dense forest, the mama bear is guided by the sound of her baby's voice. When she reaches the clearing and spots her child, their reunion is filled with joy and relief. This beautiful scene perfectly encapsulates the strong bond between a mother and her child. As parents, we often compare ourselves to these animals, believing that our love for our children surpasses theirs. But I want to challenge you all to embrace this comparison and believe that we truly do love our little ones as fiercely as a mama bear loves her baby. So let's remember to cherish and treasure this incredible bond we have with our children, because it's truly special and unique. Thank you for joining me in this heartwarming discussion, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more uplifting content like this. Until next time, take care. Lady Juliet by Blue Developers.